Hello viewers, very good evening. Welcome back to GateOverflow Future Awareness video series. In this video, I will show like how to refer the previous year questions and answers, and after that, the weightage of the subjects in the gate, and after that, I will show how to take the pre-exams. So the first one is like how to open the previous year question paper. So after logged in, you can see in the menu previous years. So if you click on there, so it will take to the previous year page. Here you can see like the papers of different exams like GATE CSE, GATE DA, TIFR, DRDO, CMI, and then NEET, ISRO. All these types of question papers are available on the GATE workflow. For suppose if you want to take GATE CSE, so you click here, like you can see all these papers are available on the GATE workflow. Um, so I will just go open the 2026 session 1 paper. So you just open in the new tab. So it will show all the questions of that set. This is like GATE CSC 2026 set 1 paper. This is a general aptitude section and question 1. So there are 10 questions. After that, we can see the technical questions, the technical session questions. So from here, like this in this page, you will see only GATE CSE 2026 paper set 1 paper only. So you can just refer and open any question from here. You can add your answers. You can comment your doubts. So this is how like one user can refer the papers and the answers available on the gate workflow. Next one is like next one is like weightage of the weightage of the subjects. So in the links you can find like gate CSC marks distribution. So if I open that, so these are the marks of the subject in that year, algorithms, analytical aptitude, and calculus. So I just want to see only last 5 years question papers or from starting from 2023. I will start like 2023 and apply filters. So this will show like 2023, 2024, 2024 set 2, 25 set 1, 25 set 2, 26 set 1, 26 set 2. So in that like if you see like databases, 6 marks, 9 marks, 8 marks, 8 marks, and 2023 it is 5 marks. So this you can refer like how many marks has been asked in the particular gate paper. So after that you can see like algorithms trend. In 2023 it was asked for 6 marks, and 2024 set 1 9 marks, set 2 6 marks, then 8 marks, 8 marks, 16 marks, 12 marks. In the like this is the uh, highest of a algorithm subject in the whole gate years. So you can see anything like you can apply the filters like I want to see COA. COA, it is like in 2023, it was asked for 10. In 2026, set 1 11 and set 2 also 11 marks. You can compare like if you want to like two subjects like COA and database, you want to dedicate the time. So I will select databases here. So you can see the like comparison. In 2023, it was like CO was for 10 marks and databases for 5 marks. After that, slightly the same thing. Um, and then like 2026, databases were for 6 marks, but COA was 11 marks. So like that, you can see, you can compare. Then in a set, like in 2026 paper, you can have a few like uh, all the subjects at the same time. 12, 7, you can see like algorithms and then COA and then computer networks. After that, like multiple subjects, operating system and digital logic and analytical aptitude, all those things. If you want, you can compare like what is the trend in 2023 and 2026 paper too. So In this is like orange one is like 2023. In 2023, you can see discrete mathematics was high. COA was also high, and operating system was also high, and theory of computation also high. Like that, you can apply any filter and you can just extract the views. And then like this is like from 2020 to 2023 to 2026 set 2, you can have the average marks. So for algorithms, it is like 9.29, COA for 9.29, then computer networks 8.14, operating system 8.14. The main usage of this page is before start of your preparation, you can just see this and know the weightage of the subject. After that, you dedicate proportionate amount of the time for preparation of that subject. You can't have that like for calculus and combinatory, sorry, for calculus and COA, you can't give the same time, right? COA should be like given high time. For calculus, you need to allot appropriate time. So this is the use of this page. And then you can see the exam like in exams. So this is the exams here, like just for suppose if you want to attend like 2027 gate 2027 paper, so you want to see like gate 2026 paper set 1. If you are you want to give the 2026 set 1 paper, so you just go here and gate and full length. So this will give you like 2020 all the gate questions, like gate CSC 2025 set 1, 2025 set 2, and 2026 questions we will add that. So from here, like you can take the test, which is same as like you are giving the 2025 set 1 paper. So after giving the question, sorry, after giving the paper, you can analyze like how many marks you will get if you are attending the 2025 set 1 paper, and accordingly you need to change your strategies and for time for revision, all those things you need to take care. Yeah, that's it in this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.